Okay, U6C advanced, wants me to explain what's done wrong in each of the following pairs of graphs of inequalities. Pairs of graphs and inequalities, I guess that made sense. All right, so hard to pinpoint exactly where I may have any points on this, but I could try to put this into slope-intercept form, negative 13y. And I'll do it as an equals is negative 20x plus 150. So y should be 20/13 is the slope minus 150/13. So I've got the 150 divided by 13. Feels like that's in about the right place. One thing that I noticed right off the bat is that this had the equal to part, and this is a dotted line. So my suspicion is that maybe that is what's wrong, because this does have the positive slope that feels about right. If I tried 0, 0 in here, it would say 0 is bigger than 150, which is false, and the 0, 0 is not covered up here. So I think the only problem with this one is that the line should be solid. If we look at this one, let's try for the slope-intercept form again, because that looks like it might hit in a fairly nice place. So negative 2y is negative 7x plus 20 when I subtract the 7x from both sides. Divide everything by negative 2. I'm going to get a positive 7/2 x minus 10. So intersects at negative 10 and goes up 2, 4, 6, 7 and over 1. I believe the line is in the right place. It's not underlined and it's dotted in there. Let's try 0, 0. Should be a good answer according to the graph. If I put that in here, I get 0 is bigger than 20, which is false. And so what they've done here is they shaded the wrong side. Okay, these are just a matter of plugging the numbers in and seeing what we get. If we put zeros in for the x and y here, I get 0 is bigger than 16, which is false. So that's a no-go on that one. If I put zeros in for both of these, I get 0 is less than or equal to negative 19, which is also false. Positive numbers aren't smaller than negative numbers. Here, I get 0 is bigger than negative 1, which it is. So I'll write a yes in there or check mark something to indicate that that is a solution for that one. And if I put zeros in this, I get negative 5 is less than negative 7/6 times 3. So that's going to be negative 5 less than or equal to negative 21 divided by 6. This negative 21 divided by 6 is around negative 3's, between negative 3 and negative 4, which are definitely both bigger than negative 5. So that one is a yes. I don't know that I need to, I'll do one more of these as a demonstration, but you have the answer key to see what the right ones are. I'll go ahead and jump over to this one. If I put a negative 2 in for x and a negative 4 for y, I'm going to get negative 4 plus 20 greater than 16. That's 16 bigger than 16, which is not true. This would be a negative 16 plus negative 4 less than or equal to negative 19. That's negative 20, which is smaller than negative 19, so that gets a yes on that one. This one, the x is negative 2. Is negative 2 bigger than negative 1? No, I don't think so. And this one, negative 4 minus 5, I'm going to do this down here. Negative 4 minus 5 less than or equal to negative 7/6 times negative 2 plus 3. So that's a negative 9, less than or equal to negative 7/6, because that's going to be a 1, and that's true, so I'm going to give that one a yes as well. It's just a matter of putting those numbers in, doing the math, seeing what's going on.